Hi, Bill Presley with Directed Force Putters. Today I want to do another video on how to use the putter. So when we get a lot of questions, well, why does it look like this? So some of the shape things I've talked about already, the 1-ball drill, the 2-ball drill, the ball scoop. Now let's get a close-up on the level of the putter so you can see that it's built up. There's a big hole here, so what that's doing is it's taking energy from the center of the mass and moving it out to the wings, and it provides a drill, the 1-ball drill, the 2-ball drill. Now you can see where all this is connected at the half point of the face equator. So this is the middle of the face on this side. See that? Okay. So what that does is it puts a very low center of gravity on the face. Now, we have grooves on the face, horizontal grooves, and this is for deflection control. And if you catch a dimple or you got a short putt, this reduces the surface area contact between the ball and the face of the putter, and also allows for debris to be removed so that the ball and the putter face can make contact and reduce deflection, especially when you're playing in the morning or you're off the green a little bit and you want a Texas wedge. What we found is that because of the energy transfer, this happens to also be the width of a golf ball, this waist, and so all this mass is focused here, but because it's back here, it actually creates a really high moment of inertia and resistance to twisting, which you saw in my other video. So let's take a couple balls and we're just going to put them down in the grass here. I like to pop these down a little bit, and I'm just going to putt one across the green, give it a little pop here. So again, I don't have to feel like I got to dig this ball out. It popped right out. Now we can see I didn't hit it hard enough, but it got some water in there, some moisture right in that groove right there. It came out really solid though. Now we're going to put, let's see, let's get some debris in here. So we got a leaf behind the ball. I'm going to go ahead and hit this one. So now you can see that this blade of grass actually got cut in half. You see that? And that's because the grooves are sharp enough so that they really get through and get rid of debris that might be causing deflection. So the object, again with the grooves, is to get the debris out of the way, reduce deflection, and it also makes a nice sound when you hit it. Let's try another one. Way down in the grass. Let's look at it again. You see where we cut that? There's a piece cut off there. Of course, you want to wipe that out before the next one. All right, so now let's go hit one real hard. We find a lot of people that play in the morning, once they start using the directed force, they'd rather putt this out of this, even this mid-cut rough, going across the green than chipping it. So let's go ahead. And again, we can see how it cuts through the grass there. This blade of grass, the ball, and that was on the outside of the ball, but the stuff in the middle is gone. Okay, now let's talk about this lie. So because of the energy is focused on this waist, again, is the same size as a golf ball. So when we hit this, all this mass is focusing energy right to the center of the face. And if you take our design, you got a ball, I mean, it's way down here. I'm gonna just, instead of trying to chip this out, I'm gonna lean this putter forward. What I'm gonna try to do is hit down on the ball and just let it pop out. So that ball popped out of there real easy. Let's try it again. We'll just put one over here. How about this? We're down in this, that'd be kind of a shaky, you know, try to chip shot because it's sitting down in the grass and it's easy to skull it or chunk it. So with a directed force putter, I can hop over this section and it pops right out. So it's a lifesaver. I get a lot of emails and people have learned to use that shot with this putter. Instead of trying to chip this, you just take and pop down on the ball. It'll jump and jumps with top spin and comes out running. Thank you.